Hello, mentorship students, and welcome to Daily Setup. 8th of February turning into 9th of February. We have Australian dollar, US dollar. No entry, no entry. The other question is, should you have bought here? That also comes down to how aggressive you would like to be today. So we can then turn into, that was still an active order at 76.38. For tomorrow, I'm thinking we should look into what if price comes down to 76.87, stop loss below here. That would give you a stop loss of 30 to 40 pips. Great. I think we're still going higher. I think also that we are through this level. We have a double bottom, so from reversal, and the only thing that can really stop us is 77.50. But other than that, nah, I think we're great. For the euro, is a bit less bullish as I would love to be to see. But as I mentioned earlier in the chat, that is a higher high, higher low on the 1 hour chart. We still have the 120 order open with stop loss of 50 pips and stop loss of 50 pips. We're still turning higher, still though massive resistance. So yeah, other than that, pretty good day. Boom. Pound dollar is great news. That is the first order coming in. If you had that one coming in, and then you have probably that one open, I would just close that one, and I would say put that to break even. I would then go into here and say from this price of 37.22, you can take it higher. Great. Stop loss 50 pips or below here. This one should be break even. Should only lose one trade. And if it comes lower, I wouldn't. If it comes down to this price again, I wouldn't be bothered to buy it. Then it's like it's gone. Adios, amigos. All right. Be very specific what you do. Pound yen, we have coming into buy price. We haven't come into the buy price for the week yet, either the first one or the second one. So that's a bit concerning. Maybe we do come there and there on tomorrow. That would be great. Other than that, we always, in the end, seem to get there. So just patiently waiting for that buy price there. Supposed 50 pips as always, moving higher always. I put out the target in the trade plans in the chat today. Hope you found them well as well. New Zealand dollar, we have a higher high now. Actually trading trend wise in a range, believe it or not. If we get this higher high, higher low situation, that is a buy. And should you have bought here? Not really. I wouldn't say that that's part of my strategy. I would say that's a pig trade, just in between here. So patience. Use the cat, made a lower low, pull back up to 27.50 or at 27.80. That would be reached too, and then down. CAD might not be as strong as you would like it to be, though US oil is absolutely killing it. We're just looking for dollar to move this one pair down. Okay, great. Goldie is daily, coming down to 26 on the daily, and for the week coming down to 25.80, somewhere around that area, or at 6:25 a.m. candle price, hopefully in here. Let's see what we get. If you are worried about this coming down, You're still at 1830. If you had a buy price down here, great. You're still in it for the win. Boom. US oil is everlasting higher, and I said should go higher. It should come down again. That's just for us to have a healthy uptrend. That's all, nothing else than that. For it to go higher. Okay. Like, great. Whatever. It's a bit unprecedentedly high. Gold, as I mentioned, silver coming down to the buy price for the day. Great buy. Should you want to go down to 26.50? Yeah, let's take that if it comes. But on daily, this is a good support. It's a good buy price. And if it falls further, okay. There's nothing we can do about that. Australian yen. Coming back down to 81 or 1890 maybe. That would be great. And then going higher. So that's an order there. We're still going higher. Still going higher. Still going higher. CAD yen, whatever. Don't really care about that. Euro yen. Look at that. Definitely buy price for the day. On the central. So that sounds like a good plan to buy. Maybe a bit high. We call it spread at the moment, but yeah, that's probably one out of 2 places you would like to buy. I don't necessarily like that as a seller, like, oh, that's a double top. So I still think this is bullish. But yen is a bit strong, so I don't know how you would like to feel about it. Pound yen again. New Zealand yen. A bit of a range, but seem to be wanting to go higher at least. If it comes down to the daily buy price, that would be greater too. Start off a daily buy price, but it's in a range. So if it comes down to 75, 60, that would be great for the week. Other than that, seems like a fun trend instead. Generally speaking, we are looking for USD and yen weakness. Aussie is strong. New Zealand is strong. Euro is weak. CAD, I don't care anymore about it. Sorry, you can trade it if you want. Gold and silver is going higher. Just a normal day in the office then, mates. For tomorrow, risk for tomorrow, nothing much other than trade balance and inflation expectations in a couple of 3.5 hours. Some speeches, nothing much that really bothers me. Today it was industrial production at 0. I thought it was 0.3. It didn't happen actually. So maybe that's what's muted. Also, euro isn't at the moment good financially. So for it to rise, it's only because of dollar weakness. The only thing. There's still a lot of lockdown. There's still not a lot of vaccines. The rebound in the economy hasn't happened yet, so it is okay. The only way Australian dollar, US dollar is going higher is because of the bond prices. Okay. What else do I need to address then this week? Wednesday is a better day and more important day. So until then, keep yourself on the top of the news. Keep yourself looking at the markets, and I will try my best and keep you awake, keep you alert. Until next time, boom. See you tomorrow.